Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix can't uninstall because the Riot client is still running. So if you're going to uninstall any of the Riot games like the Valorant, the League of Legends, or completely the Riot client, and it states that can't uninstall because the Riot client is still running, then we need to simply follow these methods. If you have any like Valorant, League of Legends, or the Riot client here in the taskbar, which is being opened, now completely close that from here, or if just simply exit that from here. Also click in here. If you find any like Riot client like this, make a right click and then select exit. Then right click at the start button, select Task Manager. So here in the Task Manager, you can completely close any programs and processes. So just simply search for Riot. Now we have just completely closed that. So you can also go with Valorant if it is still here. So as you can see, no results because we have just completely closed that. Now once done, so you can obviously close the Riot, the Valorant, and the League of Legends from here. One is here in the show hidden icons. In the taskbar, you can just simply click on the exit button and in the task manager. And once done, click on the start button, go to settings. Click on apps in the list of options on the left pane. Click on installed apps. Then before you can completely uninstall the Riot client, you need to uninstall first the Riot games like the Valorant and the League of Legends. So let's say for example, if we are going to uninstall the League of Legends, let's search for it. Click on this three dots, select uninstall and uninstall once again. And this time, this will be uninstalled. As you can see, the game has been successfully uninstalled and click on done. So that's it. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.